Good morning, guys. So today is my day off. It's super bright. What the heck? Today is my day off and I'm doing things like cleaning wise that I haven't done in a very long time. So excuse the dogs drinking in the back. I don't know why every time I get on the freaking video, they decide they want to drink all of their water all at once together. But yeah, so today I'm gonna be steam cleaning my area rug in the living room and also my couch. So I'll show you guys the little steam cleaner thing I use, and then I also need to like vacuum stuff upstairs, but I'm starting downstairs because Andy is sleeping upstairs right now. He has to work tonight, so he's on night shift, so he sleeps during the day. And this is the week that he works, so yeah, I need to go ahead and do that. But I figured I would update you guys. If you guys follow me on my Instagram, then you would see that I got a robot vacuum. So I'll show you guys. This is the one I got. I actually was joking with Andy and was like, hey, you should get me a robot vacuum. Like, haha, just kidding, would be nice, but they're really expensive. And then he came out of Best Buy with one, so it was expensive, but they're all expensive, so I don't know. If I had bought it, I probably would have gotten a different one off of Amazon, but he had just bought this one. So I actually already emptied it this morning, but this thing runs every night. Jax is like, what the heck are you doing, Mom? Jax, what's that? What is that? Daisy does not like this thing. She's about to leave. But I run this every night at 2 a.m. Oh wait, I didn't empty it this morning, and it's literally full every single freaking morning. Like, it's crazy. So I'm gonna empty that later, but yeah, I just have it here. And yeah, you put it on your phone to run at whatever time, and you can change it like days during the week. But I have ours run at like 2 a.m. every day or every night, and I just do it downstairs, and we don't like hear it or anything when we sleep, so it just does it while we're sleeping. And yeah, and it hasn't like really gotten stuck on anything or whatever. It does sometimes knock my blanket ladder down, but whatever. But yeah, it does really well. It's definitely like, I feel like a necessity for having two golden retrievers, which I still have to vacuum and clean and stuff because they're golden retrievers and they shed so much. But it's nice for just like day-to-day upkeep, and I don't feel like I have to vacuum like every freaking day of my life, you know? So yeah, figured I would update on that. I'll leave a link to the one that I got down below. I'm sure that they're all the same though. This one just does the vacuuming. It doesn't do like, I know some of them like vacuum and mop together or whatever, but this one just does the vacuuming, so yeah. But I'm gonna go ahead and get my steam cleaner out. I'll show you guys the one I use and how I do my rug and couch. Actually, I'm going to vacuum first, just because I feel like that'll make it easier so that the steam cleaner can actually like clean rather than just like pick up the hair. So I'm gonna sprinkle this stuff down. I talked about this in a few videos ago, but they sent this to me, but I actually really like it and I've been using it a lot. I'm actually almost out, so I need to get some more, but I'm gonna do this. I'm just gonna do it on the carpet and then vacuum it and then grab a steam cleaner. All right, first I need to pick up all of your toys. Story of my life. They're outside right now, or else they would be grabbing all of these, but there we go. One-handed trying to get all of their toys. All right, and here's Jax laying in the freaking grass. Come on. Come on. They're just gonna hang out up there, I guess. And sprinkle it. All right, then let that sit for like 2-3 minutes and then vacuum. I actually got this at Ollie's, which is like a refurbished kind of store, I guess. But it does like leak a little bit out of the bottom. I think just because it was refurbished, but it's like a small drip, so it still works perfectly fine. But the clean water tank is here. I have it up there, but this is where the dirty water goes into, and then it's just like a hose. There's always dog hair stuck in it. Don't know how to get it out, but whatever. And then this little spot, I guess, is for like deep or whatever. You just like put it on top of it, and then it cleans it. But I always just use the hose because I feel like it gets it better. You can like go over it multiple times and stuff. So this is what you're supposed to use for the soap. However, this stuff is really expensive, and actually this is only for their upright one and not for that one, but I use it for mine anyways because mine's refurbished anyways, so it doesn't have like a warranty, so I don't really care. But this is like the dog one. I'm actually almost out of it. I don't know if you can tell where it's at, but this is the clean water one, so you actually fill it all the way up to here with water, and then that much with this soap. You could always use just like, honestly, like laundry detergent or like Pine Sol or regular carpet cleaner or anything if you don't care about the warranty. Mine has worked perfectly fine with that. So, or you can just use water too. So if you just want to use water, you can, or if you want to use something that smells good, you can do that too. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and add this in. And also I felt like I should say that I don't have a like actual steam cleaner. I just bought this one because it was really, oops, I spilled that. It was really easy with the dog's potty training. Like anytime they would pee or whatever, I would just get this out and clean it really quick. And it was super convenient and super easy. So I highly recommend this if you don't need like a big one. And you can really do like your whole carpet with this, which is what I'm gonna do. But if I'm like steam cleaning upstairs or whatever, I'll just like borrow my friends, or you can always rent them as well if you don't want to have to like buy a huge one. I went a little overboard and decided to take the whole rug out because I realized how much hair, if you can see that, was like underneath the couch and stuff. So I think we might do that as well. And Jax doesn't know how to feel about it. Sit. You're just so interested when stuff is moved around, huh? What? You want to get to your toys and you can't? Get your ball. Get your ball. Go get your ball. Get your ball. Go ahead. Good boy. See, Daisy's upstairs because she does not like that vacuum. She doesn't like that vacuum. She wouldn't want to do any of this. But he's about to bark because he wants that ball. Probably. Get your ball. Where's your ball? Oh no, he's just gonna lay there. But now I'm gonna go ahead, because I moved all this out, vacuum the edges, and then finish steam cleaning. Let's be But I will say that this little spot bot thing runs out of the clean water very quickly. So I've only done, I don't know if you can see the line, but I've only done from there over, and the clean water's already out. Granted, I did like soak it just so it could like sit and then I could like suck it up. But look at that dirty water that came out of that. Like, for the fact that that was there, like I might have to go over this like multiple times. But yeah, that's pretty gross only from right there, but that's what happens when you have dogs. So I'm gonna refill this up and keep on going. All right, so I'm done with the first run, but I ran out of that other solution, so I decided to put some laundry detergent. So I did half of a cap of just like Gain laundry detergent and then warm water, and then just put it in the spray bottle that we have. So I'm just gonna go through and spray the rug, like probably use this whole bottle on it, just because also the other solution doesn't really smell like amazing. Like, it smells good, but it just smells like cleaner and not really like anything special. So I figured this would make it smell good as well. And then I figured I'll do this on the couch instead, because I feel like this will just make it more clean than just doing water. So I'm gonna go ahead and spray the entire rug down. All right, so I think I'm pretty much done. I'm gonna go ahead and flip it over and let it like dry out the bottom, because I feel like some of the water might have gone to the bottom, because underneath is a little bit wet. So I'm gonna flip it, let it dry like that for maybe like an hour, and then flip it again, let it dry a little bit, and just keep doing that until I feel like it's dry enough to where I can like put it back. I'm taking a break to eat some granola, yogurt, and blueberries. Daisy wants to come in here, but the vacuum's right there, so she won't. What are you doing? She was just stepping on the rug. Hey, what are you doing with your toy? You trying to bring it to me? Aw, thank you. Excuse you. What are you doing? She's like, I don't know, Mom. Can you move that, please? Why are you so scared of the vacuum, huh? Why? You don't know? Alright, so I decided I don't feel like doing the couch. I don't know. Anytime I do the couch, it ends up just like hairy and dirty within like a day anyways, because we let the dogs on the couch. So I think I'll probably just vacuum it either today or tomorrow, depending on what Andy wants to do when he wakes up. But I really do want to like straighten up the garage a little bit, because it's really been bugging me, and it just needs to be done. And it gets so dirty so easy just from like taking the dogs places. All their hair gets in it, and sand, and being at the beach and a ton of sand and all that, our beach stuff and all the jet ski stuff and all that. So it gets very dirty very quickly, and it just really needs to be done. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. I don't know if I'll be able to use my camera because it's so humid outside, so I might have to like let it sit out there for a little bit and then use it. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and do that, and then Andy should be up within a few hours, and we'll see what Come on. So, I already closed the door, but here's what it looks like. I didn't vlog it all because I was flipping sweating. But hi, Mama. So, we did have the smoker over here, but we put it over there because it was just like hard to reach with like that being in the way, because I would have to like lean over it. So now we can reach all of that. We have our coolers, our beach stuff, chairs, and then we have like all of our jet ski stuff, like floaties, goggles and stuff, all my like plant and outdoor stuff, sports stuff, chairs, and then Andy's like workbench area. I just like put stuff where it goes. And then I cover. And then this pretty much looks the same. I just kind of like made sure stuff wasn't like falling over and they weren't like covered in bugs, but it was fine. And what else? And then I put all of our fishing stuff over here, and our life jackets always hang there. And cleaned out the beach bag, dusted off this fan so we can actually use it. And yeah, that was pretty much it. I threw away some like shoes that were over here and just like random stuff that we weren't using. Put some stuff out on the curb and all that. So it looks much better. Come on, sis. And then here's the rug. It's probably already full of dog hair because of these two. But I just flipped it back over and it's not really wet anymore. So Andy's gonna help me and we're gonna move it back. Right, babe? Woo! Right. So yeah, he just woke up. Say good morning. Even though it's almost 7. So yeah, we're gonna move this back and then I think we're gonna go get some food. Get out of your sister's butt. Hey, get out of her butt. Stop it. Daisy. Go. Go.
Over here. Get off the rug.
Alright, if I lift this, or if you lift this out, I can push it in and then we can lift that and this at the same time push it out. I said you lift it.
What?
You lift this.
Yeah.
Daisy!
Daisy, go. Go!
Go! Ah!
You see Jack? He said.
Hey.
Good for Daisy.
Get up here. Come on.
Good for Daisy, right?
Come on, Deborah. Lay down. How are we supposed to lift it with him on?
I got it. Daisy.
Go! Ah! Come on, let's go outside. Come on, let's go outside.
What's up? Come on.
It's pretty hard to do and all your dogs want to do is freaking stand on it. Huh. There's so much room for activity without the ottoman there.
Oh, shot. Oh, shot.
Daisy. Wow. Thanks, babe. Will you fill their food thing up? It's almost empty. So this is what we do with their food. So, what you being such a weirdo? We keep their big bag of food in here. Daisy hates it. And then we just fill this up after it's empty. We, by we, I mean Andy does. Because this is how much is it? 40 pence. And I shared this before in my last video, but that's the type of food they eat, if you can see it. Ocean fish formula, Victor. And they like it. Let me open this. There you go. Want a scooper for dinner? No? You don't? Daisy. Why are you so scared? It's just your food. It's just your food. Alright. Alright. Now they can get their food. They're on a diet, so they only get 2 cups a day. That. Hold on, Daisy, you want some green beans? She must be starving. Seriously? Spit it out. Where's their green beans? So I just give them regular canned green beans with no salt added is the key. And watch out. I usually give them like that much. Watch out. Watch out. Get back. No. And then usually I have a little container, but I put it in the dishwasher, but I just leave them in the fridge. And then they also get their joint treat. This Sonovi joint chews. They get either 1.5 or 2 of these. We kind of rotate in between how much they get. We'll give you 1 today. Because you got 2 yesterday. Here, and you want that one? You weirdo. Here, Jax. Good boy. Alright, so it's a few days later, and I've just been doing homework today, but I wanted to add into this vlog because I'm actually filming or editing this vlog that you just watched now, and I wanted to add this clip in because this came in the mail a few days after I filmed this, and I wanted to add it in because it is like amazing and I think it's the coolest thing ever. So if you have golden retrievers, it's definitely a must. But I'll show you guys. It's a rubber broom, and if you have golden retrievers, you've probably seen them before, but basically it gets all the hair out of the carpet. So I'm gonna go grab it and then show you guys how well it does. I just vacuumed not that long ago, so it might not do like that well, but I'll pop up a picture here of whenever I did our master, which the dogs sleep in there with us at night, so that's honestly our master bedroom gets the hairiest out of all places, I feel like, because they're in the bed and the carpet and all that. So yeah, that's how much hair it took up, and it was crazy. Like, it didn't take long. Literally, you just like brush it, like kind of like rake your carpet, and it all comes up, and it's so satisfying. So yeah, I'll show you guys. I'll go grab it right now and show you guys what it looks like and stuff. All right, so this is what it looks like. Let's see if you can see it. Yeah, there's dog hair on it, of course, but it's just like these bristles, these like rubber bristles. It's not as big as I thought it was gonna be. Like, I thought it was gonna be like thicker, I guess, but it is like, how tall? It's that tall, but it can expand down to be like half the size, so it would probably work well on a couch too. But yeah, let's see if I can get some up in here right now. The dogs really haven't been in here much, so I don't know that it's going to take up much in here. Okay. So it didn't really take up a ton because like I said, I just vacuumed. But I just did, like, literally right here, you just saw me, and it took up that much, like that quick. Like, what the heck? So yeah, definitely recommend this. It took up a ton, and like you saw, it's so easy to use. And Jax is being crazy right now. Can you not do that on the bed that I have to put sheets on? You're being ridiculous. Huh? You're being ridiculous. You're being sweet right now. You're being snuggly, huh? You are. Oh, I love you. Yes. You're stretching. Oh, so cute. But yeah, it was super easy, and honestly I really like it because we have a 2-story house, and I don't like, I keep the vacuum downstairs, so sometimes it's a pain to like lug the vacuum all the way upstairs, but now I can just leave this up here, and like if I don't want to vacuum, I can just like do this really quick on the carpet and then just like ball up the hair and throw it away. But yeah, super freaking cool. I just scared Jax. What is it? What is this? Oh, oh. What is it? Oh. Come here, Jax. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know it was a little bit different and a lot more relaxed than like a cleaning montage video or something, but I just wanted to be super real and raw with you guys and make my videos more personable. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. Let me know what other video you guys want to see. My next video will be an updated grooming routine with a cool company that sent me a cool product. So I'm gonna be doing that, and that's the next video I'm gonna film and upload, so stay tuned for that. We got some serious Grinch feet going on here, so it's gonna be a good grooming video, and I'm really excited about it, and they need to be groomed really bad. So yeah, stay tuned for that. But yeah, leave a comment down below, like this video, follow me over on my Instagram, and make sure you subscribe, hit the notification bell so you're notified every time I post a video, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.